It's Animal Kingdom. Hey, it's Morgan. I look like Jar Jar Binks today.
It's a fun park.
It is a fun park. Exploring Animal Kingdom today. So excited! I love this park.
2030, they're not going to be anymore.
That is true.
So what I'm telling the young ladies is find somebody to bring in.
Hi, little buddy. Hi. And his leg up. They're so cute. It's a spoonbill.
Not a flamingo.
Yeah. Pink does not mean flamingo. We're learning today. I want to go to Rainforest Cafe. It says there's an anteater over here. I don't see him. Oh, this is the one park I would love to work at.
This would be a fun park to work at, just because you are surrounded by animals constantly.
I know, and I love animals. Is he over here? You guys see him?
Right there.
Oh. Oh my god, I thought that those were tree branches. It's just that big pile. I can't tell what's the face and is that just the body curled up? I can't comprehend that.
He's so sleepy.
It just looks like a pile of fur. Oh, there's a little bridge there. Birds bridge? Sure. Let's go on the bridge. Some ducks. Oh, we just took a little shortcut, I guess.
Oh, and then it immediately goes to the tree of life, which is my favorite
Oh, yay!
part. Is the tree of life.
My favorite's A Bug's Life. Kidding. I love that though. It's so fun. See, I actually like these ears because it's like a headband, not one of like the Disney ears, how they like press into your skull.
Hurts so
It's
bad.
like an actual headband. It's nice. And there's the Tree of Life. I love how they do all the projections on it now.
I know.
It's so cool. Yeah, red kangaroo and a lappet-faced vulture. There's the vulture over there. Those are flamingos this time. Where's our kangaroo? One time we gotta do the wilderness explorer thing here. I really wanna do that. Flamingos. That little guy.
Yeah, but that's called enrichment. We do a lot of enrichment for all of our animals, and it's just ways to
Hey, buddy.
like crossword puzzles for us. Right here. But yeah, no, that's what it does. But also, something cool about flamingos, and flamingos at every U.S. zoo, they're little bands, they're numbered bands that they wear. Yeah, actually, it says that it's shut down.
This is the Nomad Lounge. Oh, the drinks look so good. Jen's tattoo. Tempting Tigress. That looks really good. But it's so cute back there because then you can just watch the little boats go by with the characters sometimes.
Literally on the ground. Yeah.
Are we? Oh yes, we're going into Pandora. That was the goal. Oh, it's so cute over there. Valley of Mora, Pandora. I see you. Doesn't this spray water at you? Oh, every time. It's just so beautiful. That's so cool. I've never seen this section before. I love it. Shoots jets of water over here. Don't get me wet. Oh, interesting. I don't think I've ever been over to this part. It's crazy to me how even the garbage cans are on theme. Like really, it's so cool though. Like all of this glows at night. It's so cool. All the little details are so cute.
I'm a sucker.
I love frozen drinks.
Boba.
Yeah, I love boba. I miss boba. I'm gonna get the night blossom, even though I can't get the margarita, but
Oh yeah,
I don't know if I want to. Yeah, I want frozen.
Oh hell yeah, I do.
And I need to be hydrated, so. Got my night blossom, yum. I hate paper straws. So yummy though. It's cheap though, $6.50 or whatever. It's a good price for a Disney
Yeah, I thought it was
non-alcoholic drink. Our pennies. And make a wish into the Navi River. That's not a river over here, but ready? I didn't hear it.
What?
I didn't hear it. Did you see mine?
Somewhere over there. What do you guys throw?
Did you throw it? A penny.
Oh. Yeah.
Everybody does that. It was, I was only asking in case it was like trash.
Oh. No.
You're good then. I can't stop people from throwing change. I don't even bother.
We made a wish, so.
You're totally fine.
Okay. Can this place be any more beautiful? Chandler Banks. Oh, it's so nice over here. So we got a 65-minute wait and then a 105-minute wait. I don't really know if we should do it now or later. Oh, there's mist on here. Okay, we'll be back here hopefully at night because when it lights up, it's so pretty. Now we'll go to Africa or Asia, DinoLand. Oh, it's Mickey. That's so cute. That was probably custodial cast member. Giraffe. Hey. I like how they have all the hidden Starbucks because I got my gift card right now. I can use.
Oh, they might have some cute stuffed animals here too.
They always do. I miss Everest. I wish it was open.
I know, I wish it was too, because I'd be booking it there right now.
We're trapped. I want to go on the safari too.
Oh yeah. I love the safari ride.
Freaking to Africa. Oh. Who's busy over here?
Oh.
We are the beat. I said we are the beat.
Oh, that's cool. We're doing the safari. Kilimanjaro safaris.
We go wild.
Man, can't wait to see the giraffe. I love giraffes. 45-minute wait, which is not so bad for the safari. Not really.
CMU Safari driver as we head out into the
Yeah, we're in the front.
A few general safety reminders for everyone on board. Please remember to stay seated at all times throughout the duration of our entire safari. White markings are the greater kudu.
Oh, I
Now,
see
the
the
greater
striped
kudu,
one
they are
back
one of
there.
the taller antelopes, standing about 55 inches at the shoulder. But we're going to make our way out of the cool terrain, heading over to our next habitat, the Saki River Valley.
The hippo.
The Nile hippos, they do spend most of their day down in the water. They can even spend upwards of 8 minutes completely submerged underneath. These are the pink-backed pelicans. They get their name because during mating season, that pink coloring will actually appear on their backside. Now they are colonial nesters though, which means you could have anywhere between 20 and 500 pairs of pelicans within one area. Grouping of pelicans like that is actually referred to as a pod of pelicans. There's another hippo on the move to our left.
Oh, the baby! The
She's
baby!
about 7 months old now, so still really new out here on the reserve. When a baby hippo is born, they're gonna weigh in at around 85 pounds at birth.
Hey! Oh!
And reach weights of around 55.
Oh my god!
My friends, just over to our left-hand side, both in and around the water, are quite a few Nile crocodiles. And these
Crocodile.
Nile crocodiles
They look
are
fake.
going to be about 16 feet long.
Oh, they look
Their
so
jaw structure is
fake.
so strong that they can't even break bones, all the while weighing in at around 500 pounds.
That was so cute. Oh my god.
It's coming up on our left-hand side here, really close to our truck is a Hartsman Mountain. Now, they look very similar to that of our own furry friends at home as well, but in fact they are the most successful hunter in the savannah. They will literally chase their prey
Oh,
to
that's so
exhaustion in the
cute.
wild. And because they do hunt and travel in that pack formation, they require a lot of land, they take up a lot of space. With land fragmentation
Their little
and habitat loss,
tails.
though, we are starting to see their numbers declining in the wilds.
They're not.
That's
My friends, as you may have
adorable.
noticed, though, all the trucks in front of us are actually at a complete stop. We have a pretty great view, at least over to our left-hand side, with those African wild dogs. But it sounds like we are holding for some animals up ahead as well. The animals out here, they do have the right-of-way.
He's coming over here.
Now the giraffes, though, they are the tallest land animal, standing upwards of 18 feet tall. So that coloration is actually thought to help protect their tongues from getting sunburned.
How beautiful.
Now the giraffes are definitely known for that really long neck of theirs, but in fact we have the same amount of vertebrae as they do. We each have 7. Theirs are just a little bit larger, a little more spread out than our own. The male eland just over to her backside there. A male eland can actually reach heights of about 6 feet at the shoulder, and it can still jump about 6 feet in the air as well. Now with the giraffes, though, when they're in a grouping, as we're spotting here to our left, it's known as a tower, as they do tower over the savannah, being the tallest land animal. Now you will notice that the giraffes here are a little bit smaller. They haven't quite reached their full height potential yet, like the one to our left. When a baby giraffe is born, they're going to stand at about 6 feet tall, so still very tall. They'll also be up and walking within the very first hour of
There's
their
another one coming
lifetime.
down from there.
Now friends, just as we have a very unique pattern that's distinct to each one of us, the giraffe's pattern is the same. No two will ever have the same pattern. The right hand side will be working our way up this trail here too. Look at him, look at him.
Oh, so cute.
But congratulations everyone, you're a part of a giraffic jam out here on the reserve. I think I'd rather be in a giraffic jam than a traffic jam any day out here. But just because they are the greater flamingos, it doesn't make them any more superior. There's one situated on the far right corner, seated, and then if we look over our left shoulder here, you'll notice one bedded down right behind that rock.
Okay, sitting on the road.
Now if you do ever get a close look at a cheetah's face though, you may notice it almost appears as if they have black teardrops from their eyes while they're out on the move. Our pride here is 3, so we did just have the entire pride out here today. Always a great addition to your day at Disney's Animal Kingdom. And spotting an ostrich to our right, and then a few white rhinos coming into view just over to our right-hand side.
pride.
As
There's one walking up there.
word "vite," which means wide. But through mistranslation, we all took "vite" to mean white, and that's how we've now ended up with the white rhinos. Glitter cycling out on the reserve. But I guess coming a little bit closer.
Are you nervous?
And you'll notice a little bit smaller one tucked into the middle of this grouping on our right. He's just over a year old now, still pretty new out here on the reserve as well. And then also appearing just up on our right hand side will be
That was so cute. Is it raining? There's that little tree.
Give me a thumbs up.
Aw, we got to see lots of little giraffes and big giraffes, and the lions are so cute. I love that. I got a really good picture of the lion. High quality photo from this camera here. It was great. That was so much fun. So relaxing. I love how long the ride is too.
I know.
That was great. That was really fun. Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail. You see some gorillas today. Here we got some monkeys. It's crazy how human-like they are. Hey, little guy. Oh, he's just eating up there. Hey, hey, dude. It's so funny. Oh, oh, it's got a nice pink butt. See ya. See you later. Hey, dudes. Something Duker?
Something.
These guys are related to the giraffes, right? Even though they got zebra bumps.
Tongue.
Do it. Stick your tongue out. Oh, they're nuzzling up against each other. Nice booty shot. Oh, I love how they just latch onto the leaves there. Hey, bud. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look at them all. All their little nests. That's so cute. Hey, little guy. Come on out. Oh. Hey there. Oh. Bye-bye. Come on out. Hey, guy. Where's your friend? Over here. Hey, gorillas. That's so cool. They're just so human-like. So lifelike. Well, they are alive. Why did I say that? They're so lifelike, these living creatures. Of course they are. But it's just so cool to just watch them. Just scratching his face. That's what I do every day.
There's one right here.
Not many differences between us.
I know there.
Oh, there's the end of the kite show. That's cool. Oh, there's Everest. They're on little jet skis. Oh, I missed it. Yeah.
Maybe I should make another wish.
I want to go on it. Yeah, do
My
it.
last wish didn't turn out.
Shouldn't turn out the best. Someone almost yelled at us.
You want to make another wish? Everest just looks so cool. Dude, they have to be freezing though doing that.
I know. I think they've got wetsuits on. Got to.
I
Yeah.
would not want to be touching this water.
That was cool though.
That was. I didn't realize they were doing it on water.
Yeah. Well, they did do like that Rivers of Light thing for a little bit, but now it's a kite show, which is kind of cool. Oh, we just made our wish over there. Oh. Hey Everest, we missed you. Oh, is this what it is? That kind of looks amazing. I want my screen. Well, we're gonna go to Disney Springs and they have like gelato there. They have what is that place? Ghirardelli's?
I never know how to say it.
Smells like popcorn too. Ugh, stop it. I'm spending enough money today on merch. Look how stinking cute. Oh my god, the Yeti. Stop it. Ugh, so cute. Why do they have to be so cute?
It better be open soon.
I know, I wish. Okay, guess where we are. And guess what I have with me? The Yeti himself. I now own a Yeti in my possession. It was worth every penny. If I was standing there debating it that much,
Yeah, then you know you have to get it. When you debate for that long, you just know. You just know.
You ready to go scare some tourists with me? Alright, let's go, let's go. You're still, your poor hands. Fighting the urge. Oh.
It worked though.
This is so cute, a little kite tail song. Oh, there's Squirt. I still want him. I still want him. That's my dad. It's so cute. Little feet. I wish I could like sew them onto my sweatshirt. Okay, we're doing dino.
It's literally a little kid ride and I'm freaking out.
It's not even though, it's a little scarier than that.
It is. It's a scary, scary ride. It's what? It's like the dinosaur chasing you.
Well, you're trying to find the iguanodon. And then there's lots of dinos that aren't the iguanodon. Definitely not our dino. Do you think these are real or no?
I don't know.
I'm ready to go back in time. Oh God. The nerves are setting in.
Are you nervous?
Yeah. It does really, like it goes faster than you think. Like every time it surprises me. Deep breaths. We got this. We're gonna go get our iguanodon.
Row 1 up there for me.
Ooh, row 1. You want to be on the end or in the middle? Alright. Ooh, bubbles.
Inside the time rover. And please watch
We
children.
got this.
Atención, guarden todos los.
That was something. What a workout. You looked like you're like passed out. It's crazy. It's crazy. You're just there for the bumps and
I
the.
am. And that was a lot bumpier than what I thought. Oh, it's so
I know. I wish they did the kite show at sunset.
I know.
What other shows did they used to have besides the Rivers of Light thing? Oh.
My camera.
Passage. That was the best version I've ever been on because I could actually like focus my eyes. I think because I've never worn my glasses on it, it was so clear. Oh my god! Like it's so hard not to tear up. Oh. When they start playing the music. Oh, that's the best. It's the best bus ride, and now we get to go outside and everything's gonna look so pretty. Oh. Bye bye, Animal Kingdom. See you soon. It was fun. It was a nice, relaxing day. We took the bus from Animal Kingdom to Saratoga Springs, then we walked to Disney Springs because they're about to buy lots of stuff at World of Disney, so we're just looking around there, and yeah, there's lots of stuff that I like, to say the least.